How to use Stocks app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Stocks application on your phone. A pop-up will open up from where you can create new watchlist. Now, for an in-depth look on a single company, tap on any entry in the list, such as the Dow Jones. This opens a detailed view with a larger chart. From the menu above the chart, you can select different time frames like all, 10-year, 5-year, 2-year and 1-year to analyze historical data. Below the chart, find key stats like the day's high and low, 52-week range, and market cap, plus relevant news articles for that stock. To remove a symbol from your watch list, simply swipe left on it and tap the delete icon. Following these steps, you can easily use Stock app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.